What's up, YouTube? Been having a random misfire and rough idle on this 2.0 Ford Escort engine, inline 4-cylinder. I don't know if these plug wires have ever been changed before, but they say motorcraft on them, which, you know, they could have been. The vehicle has 207,000 miles on it. Previous owner may have went back with motorcraft parts, or these may be the original from the factory. But anyway, just got back from the AutoZone. Got plugs and wires, and now we're going to go see about getting a wrench and working on this thing. I don't know if you can tell or not, but that is a Ford Motorcraft spark plug. Original equipment or OE equipment replaced. Let's get that one out and get the rest of them in, and that'll be it. All right, side by side comparison. Look at the filament difference. This here is the new plug, Bosch Platinum, and just, yeah, this plug here, that's a little bit better lighting there compared to this one. Yeah, we should see a drastic difference. All right, I've got 3 done. I've not got all the wires in their little hangers yet, and this is the last one. I figured I would try to get it on camera. I'll have to use both hands, so hang on just a second. Pardon me for just a second again. This is actually the best looking one out of the whole lot. Bear with me just a moment. I'm loading the spark plug tool. Okay. Now you take it, locked in your little spark plug tool. Stick it back in. And get it snug and just a hair more. And another good thing to keep on hand is a pair of needle nose, because sometimes it'll decide it don't want to keep your socket. And each one has gotten progressively Interesting. This one right here, the boot ripped on that one, so I had to yank out the boot in pieces. There's the ripped wire. There's ripped boot pieces everywhere right here. All right. And then you take your last wire, put it in your coil pack. Till you hear it clip. Try to look down there. Let me see if I can find where I'm looking at. Try to look down there. Make sure it locks in place. Put your wire over here. Give it a shove. And you should hear or feel a very faint click. Now just put your little wires in your 3 little holders. You're good. After all that work, let's see how we did. You know what, believe it or not, I can tell a big freaking difference right now. This thing used to rattle like you wouldn't believe, and now it's just as smooth as it could be. So that was the fix. That was the problem. New spark plugs and plug wires. I know this wasn't a very good tutorial, but maybe what little bit I did show you was able to help you out a little bit. Thank you for watching. Right, here we are going down the road. I'm telling you, man, this is the smoothest this car's ever been. So I am extremely happy with the status of this. We got a pretty good little hill to climb here in just a second. We'll see how it does on this little hill. Sometimes it would kind of chug down. And we'll see how it does coming to a complete stop or somewhat stop here. Man, this thing's running like a freaking race car. So if you're having rough idling issues or occasional misfires, I had absolutely no check engine light on either. Start with your plug and plug wires. For my particular car, it was like $40 with tax and all. And man, this thing is running smooth. So, like I said earlier, hopefully that this might get you in the right direction on repairing your Ford Escort or any other car. Thanks for watching.